This is Vietnam style.
Thai style.
Hi everyone, welcome to Diku channel. Today we will cooking two different style salt baked fish.
We need apple, onion, lemon, all-purpose flour, salt, different type of chili sauce, and the fish. It's better to cook with a fish with the scales. We are going to buy it, but somehow we cannot find it. That's why we just buy the fish without scales. Otherwise, it's a little bit salty. If you can buy the fish with the scales, it will taste much better.
Then we will mix together. Then we'll do separate different style.
Two style. This is from Vietnam. This is from Thailand.
뭐, 그때 뭐? 저, 그때 뭐? 뭐 써? Now we mix the salt with flour. We need so much salt, so remember to buy bigger bag. Flour, any type of flour, and add to the water. Then mix. Now it's done.
Two, 1, 0, fire!
This is Vietnam style.
Thai style. Temperature is pretty low right now. We wanna be 400 at this point. So right now we need a bigger fan to burn, make the curry burn faster. Now the temperature comes up and I can smell the rosemary. I think we may need like 10 more minutes. It will be done. It's 190 now. It's ready. Let's do it.
Smooth. Nice color. Okay, let's open.
This is Thai style.
Joe, now let's try with the vegetable. Let's do it.
This is the Thai style. I like the flavor.
I'd like to add some apple on the topping.
Be careful about the bones. Don't eat the skin. The taste is right.
The apple is tasted with the juice and the onion fish smell good. The fish meat, it's very tender. Taste smooth. Remember, don't eat the skin. The meat is good. Not too much salt.
I wanna try the Vietnam style soon. Otherwise, it's going to be salty. Right now, it's so delicious. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
And a thumbs up. Now we will share the food with our family.
Bye.
Bye.
This is a Vietnam style.